Chris, you know I can't talk at work.
Dude, Phil, you got a letter from Stacy.
Seriously? Oh my gosh, she wrote me a letter?
Yeah, see, she does like you.
What's it look like? Card size or letter size?
Card size?
Yes!
So, I'll just leave it in your room, okay?
So what's it say?
You want me to read it?
Yes, hurry up.
You want me to read you a personal letter from the girl you're in love with over the phone?
Yes, dude, I need to know.
Dude, Phil, I'm not gonna read your damn love letter.
Chris, you know I don't get off for like another 12 hours, and you know I really like this girl, and you know that I have no idea where our relationship is headed. I'm already having like the worst day at work. This could change everything, and not just my day, but my entire life.
Yeah, but it's weird.
Chris! Read me the letter now!
Okay, jeez. For the record, I do not feel right about this.
Read it!
My dearest Phil, since I left town, I cannot stop thinking about you. Nothing compares to your eyes, your face, your caressing hands, your touch, and so on and so on. So, yeah, she likes you. Cool? Phil, are you there?
I don't think she likes me.
Are you freaking kidding me?
It just didn't sound like she meant it.
Look, it's gonna sound better when you read it and you imagine her voice, okay?
You should read it like you mean it.
What?
Read it like you mean it.
No.
Real friends read it like they mean it.
I'm not gonna read it to you like I mean
This
it.
is how you're gonna treat a friend in need?
Yes.
Fine.
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 Fine, I hate you!
My dearest Phil, since I've left town, I cannot stop thinking of you. Nothing compares to your eyes, your face, your caressing hands, your touch. My body wants you. It's simply crazy for you. It's filled with lightning when it feels your sweat, your breath, your skin. We are two immortal souls destined to be together. That is why I'm writing to say, I love you, your kindred spirit, your companion, your carnal yet sensual partner, Stacy. Hey.
Hey.
Did you get my message?
Yeah, I did. I guess she does like me. Thanks. You're a real friend.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, you probably could have just taken a picture of it and just texted that to me. Yeah.